Guys, I am so tired today. Morning, everybody. Oh, Idol, how are you? Alright, guys, I'm not going to lie to you guys. I did not feel like streaming today. I had a pretty rough night. And we did not sleep at all, my wife and I. Like, at all, probably. And now we got another doctor's appointment here in about maybe 2, 3 hours. And I did not feel like streaming. I did not feel like trading. So, well, I feel like trading, but ah, it was like 3 or 4 in the morning last night, and I was like, I want to put it on the Discord, be like, guys, I can't. Oh man, I can't stream. But because I'm here, you guys hit the like button. Oh man, I'm one of those people that just does not do good with lack of sleep, like at all. My wife, she sleeps pretty bad usually, so she can handle it and she's fine without it, like sleep. Like she can sleep terrible and she'll be fine. Me? His school to cancel. Sometimes I do, but man, like sometimes I do end up not streaming, but that's usually because I'm out of town or something else. But I was like, either way, I'm probably gonna still get up and try to trade at least some of the open. Now, last Friday I was red last Friday, and this week I'm already sitting at like 2.34 something like that on the week with a short week. And so I really will just try to take it slow today, unless I somehow get up a lot, and maybe I'll just go wildcard Friday and try to risk all that money. If I give it all back and end break even, then that's fine with me. And but maybe have a chance to have a decent day. But other than that, guys, I might take it super slow. Morning retail though, running well. Little sleep is a good quality in the medical profession. Address sleep issues early, gets worse once you're in your 30s. Yeah, I bet. Wapo trades. Got to size down for sure. Good morning, Juan and traders. Hope everything is okay, Juan. Try trading pre-market. You make your goal before even the start and go on with your day. Sometimes pre-market is good. All right, I'm gonna go over penny stocks real quick. Mom, I am still looking for this thing for the short. I had a big stuff yesterday. If this thing was to pop up again, 650 reject. I'm gonna try my stab at another short on this thing. I tried it yesterday pretty early, like 5:45. And ended up taking a loss and then finally made it back. I don't know what stuff. Like somewhere through here, I finally got all my money back. Ended green, but red with commissions. But I mentioned this stock to watch it even before I got off stream yesterday. I said watch it all day long. This thing might pop pretty nice. So there's that one. BAER. I'm not gonna lie. This is giving me Osea vibes. I don't know why. Look at the daily; it's so beaten down, straight sell off from like $25 down to 3. And it's had like 2 or 3 days that it tried to pop up and didn't, but these pops were to $5. This pop today, this morning, is to $9, $10. So if this one gets some action again, especially with that happening yesterday and Lunar and stuff, this one might run. I'm not saying go all in, guys. This one might go $30 as well, but it's a possibility shorts are going to be a little scared and we'll stop out real quick on some of these stocks. And if they keep stopping out like that, if they're still in here and they keep stopping out, this one can go as well. So that's BAER. Ba Bayer. I was gonna say that literally sounds like ba bear bear. No, but I guess it's not spelled like bear though, but it sounds like bear, but that's a E bear. I guess I'm thinking of like I don't know. What time do you go live? I just went live like 7 minutes ago, and that's usually the time I go live every morning. CING is another stock that I have on watch. CING, another pretty nice gap up, went from $1.20 to $2.20, so about $1 gap there. This one looks okay on the daily. Every time it tries to gap up, it doesn't really sell off right away. It kind of holds it, but it doesn't really go on big runs. So that's one plus here, as opposed to TMBR. TMBR, every time this one tries to pop up, it seems like it does try to give it back. Besides the last run here at the end of, or beginning of 2020 when it popped up, I mean, it popped up a couple days, but the next day it gapped down all the way, like giving all of that profit. That one day it gapped up and held strong, closed strong, but the next day it gapped up. And if you look before that, every little gap sold off the same day or right after. So a little here, sold off, here, sold off, here, sold off, here, sold off, there, sold off. Even this day here popped up to $14, sold off to like 8. You know, look at all these sell-offs there. So this one might be a little tougher stock to expect a big run from. Unless you are squeezing people again and this market is switching and buyers are being confident, and then you might get a nice runner. Good morning, everybody. Good morning, Hanish. Good morning, Storm, Dark Mix, Diddy, Amy. Good morning, everybody. Juan, please look after yourself, dude. Oh, thanks, man. Thanks, Hanish. Yeah, even if I wasn't streaming, I still would have gotten up and tried to trade a little bit, but I definitely will probably not stream long today. If I get green, I might call it and stuff. I honestly might go take a nap after this. Oh, actually, after the doctor's appointment now. Morning SDT99. Morning everybody on TikTok. If you guys are in here, if you guys are on YouTube, please hit the like button for me. We got a little less than 5 minutes to market open, so there's like 50 of you guys over there already. You guys hit the like button for me, please. Morning Jims, I see you in there. Now, as far as the large cap stocks, I guess there's also Akba over here, another gapper. But this one doesn't look that great. Actually, it even looks like it's on backside of the daily already, and I'd never even looked at this thing. Had never even seen it. I'm sure y'all heard the consumer expenditure index came in hotter than expected. Nope, did not hear that, but thank you, awesome. It's Tesla. I have some levels on Tesla. I think if Tesla loses is 195. I was kind of quickly glancing at it this morning. If Tesla loses is hold on. If Tesla loses this like this 195 area, I could see this one have a nice little drop again. We've already had some nice sell-offs, but I could see this one maybe drop down to that 191 again. So there's a lot of like support here at 195, but after that, the one time it dropped from 195, it went straight to 190, 192, 191, past 192, 191.78. That was the lowest low. So kind of today, I'm looking to see if Tesla cannot hold these lows here, it gets under 195, and we might get a move right back down to that 191.78. Looking at the bigger time frame though, I do see kind of an uptrend line here. So I know there's a lot of stuff here, but here's some touches there. There's a nice touch there, and then there's this one as well that dropped to 191.78. Exactly came up to there and bounced there. So if we do go lower, we might end up bouncing off that trend line again, which is somewhere in the 194, 193.50s area. Yeah, 193s. We might bounce there and then get the move back up, but you can see here, here's a clear support at like 195.8s, right? You see it bounce, sold off, reclaimed it, bounce today, just right at that level. If we bounce, we could see a nice run, maybe 200 again or tap 200. If we don't hold this 195 here, we're going to straight back down to 193, I think. So at least try to find this trade here. This trade here. Oh, thank you, man. Thank you, Joshua. Joshua with the tip this morning. Donation. Man, thank you for that, Joshua. Means a lot. Have I even seen your Wapo trades? You said the Wapo trades, but how long have you been in this chat, man? Everybody on YouTube, and even if you guys are on Tradecast or on TikTok, you guys say thank you to Joshua, man. Thank you for that. Really appreciate that, man. So that was Tesla. Let me look at Spy. Spy lost 400 bucks and sold off. Nice hammer candle yesterday on the daily, so I guess that was good, but you went right back down to these levels today. Thank you, Joshua. Joshua, hope you kill it today, man. Hope you make Happy you have your biggest green day ever. Fed master spoke and says rates need to be above 5%. She said a number there. I agree. Hopefully this sends everything. Hopefully it sends everything on a clear downtrend. We got about a minute till market opens. A Bayar looks like a stock that kind of wants to squeeze at the open, but I'm gonna keep an eye. 2 weeks, great stuff. Appreciate it, man. Awesome. No, and seriously, man, I appreciate that. During 5 meetings today during the day? Oh, heck no. Anyways, BAER market's gonna open here in about 40 seconds. If you guys are watching on TikTok, appreciate you guys watching over there as well. BAER, you might get a quick trade through 950 or wait for it to set up. You can see kind of small little pivots here. 890s is holding pretty well. Juan trades, where do you live? Texas? Texas? So 20 seconds till market opens. I really honestly want to catch a mom short. Oh, there's a breakthrough 950 on BAER. What are the locates for this one? BAER. 30 cents a share? Oh, screw that, man. 30 cents a share for this thing. No, thank you. Alright, Tesla, for the meantime, I am looking to catch the bounce off this 195 area. Unless this tells me that this wants to sell off, I would rather see this thing bounce a little bit. So let me go ahead and delete all these. I don't need any of those. Alright, so market is open. Plan on shorting Meta around 170. That's what Rome C said. Honestly, I would be interested on Nvidia. I think Nvidia might be another stock that freaking BAER into a halt. Ridiculous. Market just opened, so I'm not into anything, but I could see Tesla. Right now, I'd already struggled at that 196 kind of pivot there. If this breaks that 196, might take quick long. But if we stay under that and looking for lows, it might take a little breakdown to 195. So this would be my first target there. I'm so tired, I'm like shivering. I'm like sleepy, I'm shivering. So Tesla little pop, NQ, SPY little pop, NQ trying to get a little pop. Tesla already popping a little bit. No trades yet. I want to see how high Tesla wants to pop a little bit. See a couple of wicks up here, like 197, 198. If this starts looking weak up here on Tesla, I might take the short. back down. I almost took it right there. But look at that 196.90s level still holding. So this previous little tiny pivot there, we just broke out of it and then closed underneath it. So that's already weak. Corey, did you get some of that? You hopped in at 10:49 on BAER. Good stuff, man. Hopefully you get a good resumption there. NQ's still pushing though, so even though Tesla's not, NQ's still pushing, and SPY is. Oh, that's not SPY. That's Nvidia. Why do I have Nvidia on that chart? Tesla, not a lot of selling pressure here. It looked like it did for a second, and then it just held it. If this was to sell off pretty nice, I would probably look for the short for that low day break, but so far it's not accelerating. I don't see a bunch of shorts coming in here. TMBR is actually popping up a little bit. TMBR, that's the one that I did mention that has had history of kind of selling off. What are the locates on that one right now? 2 cents a share. See, Tesla kind of tried selling off there and kind of reclaimed that level or reclaimed that wick, so we might get a nice pop up on Tesla here. Took a quick Tesla long just to see if we break out of this. We've already had a couple of bottoming tails here. Not big size, just to see if I get a nice breakout through here. If not, then we will follow this back down, but only 200 shares here. See, every time that pops down right there, you see the buyer step in and create a bottoming tail. So that's what I'm kind of looking to see. We finally hold at 196 and get the leg up. And this one did it again. So let's see if we get the breakout. Wow. How many times can buyers step up and not break this one out? I will say a lot of sellers are stepping in right there, but buyers really bottom popped all of these wicks here. TMBR, I located some shorts. More buyers stepped in down there. On Tesla. It is being very choppy right now. If this breaks out, we might get a nice run. If this sells off, we might get a nice run. Corey, there is a resumption on BAER already. I'm gonna close this. Yep. TMBR, I got some shares, locate shares. Oh, Tesla selling off. I would like the break of 195. That's the only thing down here. But you see that there was a lot of shorts on Tesla stepping in right here at that 196. TMBR is still going for it, so I'm going to be patient on that one. Got the bear flag. Good job, Farsard. I was trying to get the little breakout there because it looked nice for a second. I would be looking for this low day break here on Tesla, but I don't want to chase it. I would like this candle to close here real quick, give me a little pullback, and see if I can get the break of 195. That's what I would be looking for, break of 195. Here's 195. Adding for the break of 195. Holding tight here. I'm getting out of that. No need for me to stay there. Here goes Tesla back up to this level here. We could get a nice long there, but this candle just opened. TMBR already to highs. I'm down 350 on this trade here. Some of you guys nailed BAER up there. There goes Tesla right back up. Next level would be 198 up here. If this wants to keep breaking out up here. That's a big wick rejection off the lows there on Tesla. Do we get a break it out of here? Or are we going to stuff again? I almost had it there, but didn't feel comfortable. A lot of shorts up here again on Tesla, but NQ is still running. Yeah, I ripped on your face. I ripped on my face too. I'm down 350 on the day. It's not bad, nothing I can't recover. But honestly, if I take another loss and go down, a little bit, I really might call it early and just take my birthday on Friday again. I think Tesla's been pretty choppy the first 10 minutes the last couple days. Like at the open. See, this looks like it wants to go right back down again, and it's going to chop now between these two levels again. Oh my god, Hassan is big green already. Good stuff, man. Look at this, Tesla right back down. I'm gonna wait for a little bit. Mom finally selling off. Oh, NQ actually took a nosedive right there. If NQ takes that nosedive, I will take Tesla right back down to the break of 195 again. So would be looking NQ selling off that crazy. I would look for Tesla to that break of 195 to the downside. Break of 195 here. Here he goes again, down to 195. There's a break of 195. I'm going to start covering a little bit just to decrease this red day here. I'm going to take half out. Didn't jump on big size on that one. Oh, Dan Timber just stuffed real quick there. Tesla broke 195 there. Did not keep running though, so I'm going to be cautious here as buyers worst. I'm going to take all of that off. Down 160 on the day. That's okay. Check Lunar fast. Lunar, is that 2 halts up or 1 halt? It's like 3 halts. Dang, Timber is the one that I wanted to short. And I didn't get any shorts down there on Timber. Tesla's holding 195. We could catch a bounce, but Anki is the one that's dropping, so. Oh, I just realized my shorts on Timber got rejected. Wow. Osea halted. A mom kind of doing the same thing. Bear is halted down. Let's see. Timber tried going up and sold off. Tesla still trying to catch the bounce at 195. NQ sold off. Lunar halted up twice, three times, something like that. I don't know what happened there. Let me see. Which other one do we got to look at? SPY is selling back on down. Tesla's still holding 195 though, but now we know 195 is a clean support there. Farzard, did you end up holding or anything like that, or you took the loss and then it dropped without you? Do you trade options with penny stocks? No, penny stocks don't even have options. Fed speaks in 20 minutes. Okay. If we do lose this 195 here on Tesla, but this is testing that kind of that trend line that I was talking about. It's testing it. It would test it down closer to this level down here. Okay. Well, Tesla's still at 195 there. Lunar, did you get in on Lunar, Rome C? I know you just mentioned it. Justin Osea held it down. Tesla, to me, sellers are not accelerating this move down here. I would even try to take some longs and see if you get another pop out of 195. But the only reason why I'm not taking this right away is because NQ is selling off and SPY is hitting low a day. But Tesla's not. Okay, there it goes. But this is looking pretty weak breakdown on Tesla. Now it's accelerating. Okay, great. Not in it. But this is now the move that I was looking down to. Maybe, what was it, 191? 191.70s would be the new low for Tesla. Still a way to go. Don't want to catch a falling knife, but this breakdown on Tesla is not looking strong. Even right here, NQ might be double bottoming. I might take some long here Tesla just for the pop back up to 195, honestly. Right back down to 400 on the day. I even told myself I didn't want to catch a falling knife, and I did. Hassan made $2 a share on it. Thank you, bro. You have helped me a lot. Awesome, man. I know you've had a couple nice green days. Probably seems to be testing. Dude, I just don't know. It didn't seem like Tesla wanted to go down there again. It popped down and instantly started holding. I thought I could get a retest of 195, so I tried taking it along. But look at this. Now it's doing the same thing. It pops those lows, but it doesn't hold them. And the volume was kind of iffy there for a second until buyers started coming in. But there goes Lunar. Back down to 340 on the day, which is not bad. Nothing I cannot recover, but unfortunately no clean trades here for me again. BAER, hopefully if you guys took that long, which I know some of you guys did, Corey, Hassan, hopefully you guys take profits right away, because you know those are the type of plays that are not going to, hell yeah, 100% gains on my puts. Good stuff, man, Bo, good stuff. Those are the type of plays you guys know that you're not going to find another Osea. You know, it could do it, but you're not going to find them. It's very rare, so good stuff getting out. Down $340 still. Tesla's still selling off a little bit. I really thought we were going to get a little bounce at 195. And now this is kind of engulfing this move down lower. Got a quick little long here, but I don't want to hold this long because 195 might be a resistance on Tesla now. So this pops to 195, rejects 195. I could see another leg down on Tesla. So I want the pop a little bit higher, and then maybe start adding in on this one for the break of retest of 195, and see if we can catch another short here. Even if this popped a little bit over 195, we could get another leg down. So let's see if we get another pop here. I might even start taking tiny size. I could see another leg up, but I'll take it small size for now, super small. I want this trade to kind of go against me a little bit because I want the full ad up here higher towards 195. SPY is kind of bouncing, NQ's kind of bouncing, but they both sold off pretty nice. So I didn't get full ad, but those starters there already going right back down. Look at this. Tesla might go for the new low already. This is pretty heavy so far. If NQ starts going for a new low and SPY does too, I might add for Tesla for the breakthrough low day again. I'm going to grab this profit here. They're all trying to catch a little bounce. Big green today. I took good stuff, Hassan. I just read the comment again. Sometimes I look down and I don't know if you guys sent another comment or not, so I just read the last one and I end up repeating myself. Nvidia retesting that 230 level. Oh, Timber is actually climbing back up. Guys, if Timber reclaims some levels, watch that one through high of day. That one could have trapped a lot of shorts. If Timber reclaims some of these levels here, I will take Timber through $3. Through high of day, through $3 on Timber. Watching Timber. TMBR. This one might squeeze. I know it's stuffed, but this one might squeeze straight through high of day. And $3. Oh, I don't want to chase this up here. It's got another whole minute now to hold this candle here. You see the little downtrend here. If we hold this downtrend, kind of retest it real quick on Timber, I might actually take some long for the break of high and break of $3. We still got 20 seconds on this candle here. Don't want to catch this stuff, but this is telling me stuff, and this is telling me we could squeeze them out. So watching TMBR. You guys see I don't chase this, though. I'm waiting for it. 10 seconds left. Micro pullback on this next candle. I'm in for the break of 3. No. Wait. 2 seconds. All right, candle's going to close here. I'm in. I got a pretty good average there on that pullback. I want to see the buyers step in again, acceleration through that high of day, through $3. This is still holding it. It's still holding it. It's looking good. I hope it doesn't hold the whole candle, though. If If this at any point hits a new low, I'm out. But this candle's still holding this move here. Buyers are going to step back up here again, and let's see if we get the breakthrough high days. This candle's going to hold it right pretty good right here. Now watch the next leg up. Out of this candle. Candle closes here. Let's see if we get it next candle. Here it goes. Going to take some out there. Looking for the break of high day. Buyers are going to start coming in here. Oh! It wants to go. It wants to squeeze. This might be faking out here. So I gotta be careful. I might be getting out fully. $16 loss. Tesla retesting 195. Let's see. What is SPY doing? Trying to catch a bounce up there? I don't know how Tesla popped off of 195, but Timber, I might have been able to hold it a little bit. I still think we could get the break of 3 on that one and might get a nice pop, but Tesla, I might look for a quick short here if we tap VWAP and kind of reject these areas up here again. Took a $16 loss on Timber on that trade, so pretty scratch trade at least. The problem with Timbers is not up big on the day and it's way under the 200 EMA. Yeah, I just saw the big stuff early twice off of 290s, and then it went forward again. So at that point, I really thought shorts were going to get squeezed. Which I still think it could, you know. That reclaim right there, if you try to find any dip right now of 2.8, that is a perfect trade. ATLX is a short you took. I took some Timber, oh nice, ATLX short. Nvidia long average 230. Rome C, I'm suspicious of the downturn the way it's pausing so long. TD rather be safe. Expon is interesting. Tesla's trading like garbage today, which I'm glad I'm only down 200 on. What side do you trade on? TD Ameritrade. I've been averaging in on CING. Mom, this is the stock that I finally won at the first right day, and it's finally doing it. You're averaging short on Sing. See, so Sing is kind of what I was looking to short as a similar to Timber. You know, that kind of pop. It tries to pop over VWAP. And man, what is Tesla doing? And then it sells right through it. Nvidia is retesting that 230 and a bounce there, so we know that level's strong. We knew a lot of buyers would be there. Good stuff. Whoever took that, was that you, Farsard? Yeah, good stuff. I use Guardian for shorting, yeah. So Tesla, I'm looking for the short up here. If it rips through VWAP, I'm out, but I'm looking for the short up here on Tesla. Although NQ just ripped, holy crap. I am not getting clean moves on Tesla at all. Okay, here we go a little bit. I'm not trusting anything, and I'm red on the day, so I'm going to take some partials along the way. But I would looking for this, looking at the 5-minute chart for this to be a giant bear flag here. Thank you, nice little stuff there. So watching Tesla. If we get the break of here, I'm looking for lower. So I'm in this Tesla, still trailing it down, still trailing it down. Not a lot of shares in here, but trailing down. Looking at that 195 retest, I did say you guys are short Nvidia. You could short Nvidia for the break of 230. We already bounced off 230 yesterday. Fars are half out of Nvidia. Good ride so far. There we go. Good stuff, man. Good stuff. Looking to catch the break below 230. Okay, that's exactly what I just said. You're speaking my mind, Rome. What stock am I trading? This is Tesla right now. If all of these stocks start going right back on down, Tesla would look for the new low. So if Nvidia drops to 330, oh, there goes Timber again. Timber is going for that $3 break. Watch it. Enki looks like a giant bear flag that's looking to just sell off right back down to lows. Timber's got so many shorts up there. If that thing rips, it should squeeze pretty nice. SPY also looks like it's hanging off a little cliff there, trying to go down for lows. Same as NQ and Tesla, same thing here. Price action today on Tesla again is not the best. I have not seen. I don't see it moving cleanly. I don't see it ripping, picking a direction. Even though it's kind of trading nice, maybe this is a nice bear flag, but it's not selling. This was here also kind of choppy there. I don't think the price action on Tesla today is very clean, and I'm okay with that. I'm okay with a day like today. One trade up, man. I shorted Sing at 185 with 3K shares. I am out of the trade. Gosh dang. But Heather, you gotta tell me which ones you short so I can short them too. Go buy a Honda. Man, Timber is still up there at that $3. That's insane. Oh, big rejection there on Tesla. Okay. Big rejection there on Tesla. So did NQ. Looking for Tesla low day here. And it just holds. What? I don't know what to tell you guys. I'm gonna close it. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. Timber. Holy crap. How did Timber not... I hate Tesla today. Me too, man. Come on, Tesla, make a new low for me, dude. It wants to, and then it pops up. You shorted seeing at 185. Right above VWAP, good stuff. Dude, maybe sometimes I do need to pay those 30-cent locate fees. Cause look at that, 30 cent locate fees for BAER, and that thing just dropped like $4 from the highs. Insane. Keep adjusting Tesla. It looks like everything is trying to catch a low and it's not going to go through the lows. So we might get a pop all around on SPY right there at 394s, on NQ right there at 11,960s, and then Tesla here at 193, 194. We could get a pop. How you going, Tesla and Nvidia? I was trading Tesla, but I'm down $100, which is totally okay for the profits that I've been up this whole week. So if I get green, a couple $100, I might call it. I might look for one trade. Um, right now, honestly, I'm kind of now looking at a little bit of a fake false breakdown, and this thing might rip back up. I use Guardian just for shorting, yeah. You daily trade on Tesla? Yeah, I trade Tesla every day. So right now I'd be looking to see if this thing wants to do a false breakdown. Yes, for shorting. But for going long, obviously I'm trading here on TD Ameritrade. I kind of want to take some longs now for the... Okay, there it goes. Not anymore. Alex is in Lunar. Yeah, I almost took some longs there, Tesla. But here's the thing. We reclaim 195 Tesla. I'm looking for the break of VWAP. We break down out of this tiny flag here. I'm looking back down to 193, 192 on Tesla. We do have a tight downtrend here too. Here's 195 again on Tesla. Nvidia back down to 230. SPY catching a bounce, so maybe we do get to push through VWAP. I want to see if Tesla breaks out through 195, but can't do it. It's a chop fest. Down 39 bucks on the day. I mean, I'm chopping around between barely any profits. Raphael, Alex, are you in? Up 777 paper on BYND and Timber. Should be back to real money next week. Awesome. 600 on Tesla and Nvidia for fish on. SPY and QQQ pop. Yeah, I think we held those lows on all of those. So I was seeing for the long, but didn't take that. Staying away from that one. I'm going to a month in Paris. Woke up late, but I'm here now. What's up, man? Do you have any free or even paid courses? I do have a course. I offer my course. You guys see me trade live today. Like I said, I had a rough night last night, so I'm taking it easy. And last Friday I was red, so I'm not gonna be pushing share size today. There was no trading on Monday, and I'm up like 2.5 on 2. I don't know what it is on the week. So I decided to take it pretty slow today. But I do offer a course. You can find it on the TikTok bio link. Straight from beginner all the way to experience. Beginner like candles, patterns, charts, strategies, all that stuff, all the way to the end of how I trade every day. All of that stuff. Let me look at Lunar since a lot of you guys are calling it out still. Oh my God, Lunar. Use 150 off at the checkout page and you get that discount, and then you also get put into a private Discord and full mentorship with that course. So you're able to ask me any questions if I need to hop on a phone call with you on Discord, share my screen or anything like that. I do that as well. Just overall, you have me for any questions you need. If you need me to review your trades, all that stuff. So that's all included with the one-time payment course. Lunar is crazy. Lunar Fears Tesla. Do we get a low day now, or is it just gonna bounce again here? SPY went right back down. Maybe we tried catching a bounce and we didn't there. I know, dude. Prices for the shorts recently have been crazy. NQ sold off there. SPY selling off. Might take a quick short here on Tesla for low of daybreak. Just a quick one here. I'm gonna cut it real quick. 100. I lost barely anything. I might add to it here though. Kind of retesting this trend line here. NQ sold off there, and it's SPY selling off. Tesla's the only one that doesn't sell off. I don't understand it. See, sometimes I get faked out too. I took that fake out there. And then it pops right back up. What the heck, man? Holy crap. I don't think I've been green at all today. Crazy. This thing does not want to break down. Even though NQ is hitting low days, man. That's insane. NQ and SPY both went straight down, and Tesla is just straight chop fest again. Just keeps getting pinned down. Book that ticket to Paris. I'm done for the day. The best 2 hours in a long time. Good stuff, Alex. Burro is so expensive to short. Timber. Look at Timber. Lunar was I'm down 200 on Tesla again. I have not gotten a break today. I literally on this one I literally just want to get back to green even if it's 50 bucks. And I just want to call it almost. Only expensive champagne. Sometimes I feel like even the expensive ones are the ones that literally fade the easiest. Bo, are you talking about Tesla right now? Because I was looking short. I mean, I was looking, yeah, on Tesla, and I cannot get this thing to pop out. There's so many bottom wicks on Tesla down here, and it keeps holding, and buyers step in really strong down there, and then as soon as it gets time to kind of a little breakout up here, where we kind of need to make a new high, and buyers disappear. keeps getting pinned down. It keeps making lower highs, so it might actually just break down out of here now. The only thing I don't have is an obvious target for the downside. I mean, next level would be 190, 178. I really doubt. Man, look at this chop. Burrow 1700 to get 3K shorts. That's insane. I don't drink alcohol, but sure. I'll make sure to have some fun. You gotta get some sparklings. Lunar, you think 57 level goes next? Is anyone speaking today? I think so. Somebody said that there were. Senior DM on IG. Maybe not. Be patient. I'll probably downside take profits 188. I'm down $260 today, which is not bad. But there's absolutely, maybe this is days like this is where maybe, hi Soul Granny, I hope you're crushing it. Seeing you, I still beat you in Fortnite. You don't beat me in Fortnite, bro. Lunar, you can't beat me in Fortnite. I haven't played in years, and you still can't beat me in Fortnite. Tradecaster chat, YouTube chat, how's everybody doing? Green, red today. How much green, how much red? Break even, no trades, struggling, falling asleep like me. What is going on, guys? I'm down 260 bucks, but on the week I'm still up over 2K, so no trade on Monday, and I've been sitting at my desk for 2 hours a day, so I'm happy with that. Rafael is up 1400. There you go. What is the news fest on Tesla? Green $22 for Isaac. There we go. There we go. Build a guy. If you tell me you're up like 3,000 on Tesla today, I don't know. I don't know what to do, man. I don't know how. Oh, there we go. I was gonna say, dude, there's no way like anybody's banking on Tesla today. Again, I want to go against the grain here and take the long. Oh, there's the buyers. See? The buyers stepping down there exactly at that low day and then just don't make a new high. They just disappear. They're all stepping right here and then they disappear. Stepping right here and disappear. Stepping right here, disappear. And that was a lot because that volume instantly popped up. So you know there's a lot of people up there or down there. What is this live? You can explain me. I'm trading the stock market. So Tech Money looks like all my money account is back up and running. So small size with Lunar for 200. Wait, you just got cleared and made $200 just now on Lunar on your new account? Oh, nice. That's a way to start your new account. This is Weeble, right? Oh, Tesla, 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 you've been so good to me this whole year, but what are you doing today? First week after finishing your course, and it's a green one. There you go, Argent Trader. Bro, you still didn't join that private Discord, man. I will send you a specific link to your DMs with the private course link Discord. Somebody on TikTok is up 245 on Timber. I don't even know if it's Timber. I don't know why I started calling it Timber. I don't know what the name of that company is, but TMBR sounds like Timber. Oh, here goes Tesla. That's a nice acceleration to low. Are buyers stepping in again? Holy crap, they are. What the heck? Is this the actual pop though? Like, can we get at least back up to VWAP? Like, this is literally to the penny on Tesla. Buyers are stepping in down there. So you already know, if we hold this, we're going to VWAP. If we do not hold this level, we are going to sell off pretty nice. 399.50 on SPY. Yeah, how the heck is SPY still selling off and Tesla's not? And I guarantee you, if I take this short here for the breakdown, this is going to squeeze. I'm Just watch the lemon squeeze. Red, $11 in spy puts holding till 0. Tesla's down 4%, SPY's down 1%. What about NQ? NQ is actually selling off. Since market open, NQ has been hitting new lows. Tesla has not. But Tesla, if you look at the daily right now, you see that trend line that I was pointing out? That's what I was looking to see if it holds, which is there, and it's holding it, but it's not really okay, finally, there it goes. Finally, a nice pop out of here. Let's see if we can follow this up to VWAP. Kind of chasing this, but that popped up very nice. If it drops down a little bit, I would add. I'm not gonna lie, those were terrible ads. And I might be paying the price for those. Yeah, I'm stopping out real quick. If this goes straight to lows, I will add for the breakdown. That's it. Dang it, those are so bad ads, man. That was on me. That was all me right there. I rushed that trade so hard. Oh, that was so stupid, man. I have never added so high and then added to it again. That was so stupid. If this goes right back down to low, I'm adding for the breakdown. Although we did kind of break trend line here and kind of retesting it for the buyers, but this is where I should have added that 400 shares. I want to see if we get the low of daybreak here on Tesla. We might actually break this low here on Tesla now. Stop would be right over this candles. If this pops up here, I'm out. But I'm looking, holding for low of day breakout. We tried popping there. We didn't. We might just go right back down and actually sell off through this 193.5 level. And we might actually get a nice run. So I'm trying to hold this Tesla here. If this really wants to chop out and I'm stop out here again, I might just call. Yeah, I'm gonna cut it. Two red days, two Fridays back to back red. I knew I shouldn't have traded this chop. Bo said the same thing. I'm done trying to short Tesla. Dude, it's days like this where I get frustrated because it just goes sideways, dude. And when it breaks trend line like this, it tries to pop up. This was a stupid trade, first of all. But when it broke trend line here and tries to pop up, it should retest these lows and go for the next leg. So that's why I went long, and I thought it could just go straight up to highs. But then after that, when it doesn't go after the trend line break, it retests and doesn't go, then it goes right back down to lows. I definitely thought we would break the lows. Oh wow, now it's going. Yep, now it's going. Watching it, watching it. One last trade here. This volume actually increased here. I want to see if we continue follow down or this pops right back up. This is the highest volume Tesla's had all day. If we retest anywhere up here, I'm taking a small scalp short. Nope, no freaking way, bro. This is popping straight up. This is gonna pop straight up. That was just a false breakdown, the one that I mentioned earlier. Took some long Tesla there for that reclaim of that same 193 level. So now I'm going to try to hold this because this is looking stronger. I want to see the pop all the way up to VWAP maybe. Taking some along the way here. That was a nice little false breakdown and reclaim, so I'm going to try to trail these up as long as possible. If it stuffs, I'm out, but I could see this one popping up still. SPY did not hit no new low. NQ did not sell off there, but you know, Tesla does his own thing nowadays, so either way. See, here it goes again. Buyers are stepping up strong on Tesla right now. Trying to get the move back up to 195 VWAP would be ideal. More buyers coming in. Last 5 seconds here. Can we get a nice close and can we get another leg up? Here comes another leg up maybe. I'm gonna take some out. 150 shares left. It's not a lot. What is that? 193.83. 193.83. Alright, I got stop in place here. Let's see if I get another leg up. I would be looking for that 195 kind of up here area with VWAP 195. Let's see if I get it for some reason. Another miracle run here. Bo, that's exactly right. You don't like trading the chop, but in the heat of the moment, it's hard to walk away. And that is true, man. That's true for a lot of people. I mean, it's true for me. I saw this chop from earlier, and I still decided to stay here and trade it. I was down 200, and I started worrying about my P&L, and this is something you guys should not do. I was like, if I get back to green, I'm calling it, right? And the thing is, I shouldn't have done that, I should have seen the chop, should have seen bad day, I'm tired, been like, okay, it's choppy, I'm tired, I'm down 100, 200, I'm just going to call it at that. Oh, I was about to exit my full trade there. But at least I decreased it. I think the max loss I was down was 600, so even if I end at a $400 red day, I'm going to be okay with this. But choppy day for sure, so. Here we go. Do we get another pop through these highs here? I think so. There it goes. Gonna take some more out. I have 100 shares left now, looking for 195. I want to put a round discount, 198.24. 28, I think. I might get stopped out real quick, but it's either I stopped out or it goes straight up to VWAP one last time. Alright, I'm out. So down $360 on the day, not bad. I probably could sit here and scalp another 300 bucks, but I think I'm going to call it there, guys. I think we all fall into this choppiness sometimes and refuse to admit that we want to be done. But this is a good red day. Yesterday I made 600, today giving half of that back, and I'm happy with that. So on the week, with a short week, 2K 1.9. Man, what is up with Fridays though? Look at this. Oh, I don't like this many red days in a month. Just kidding. Thank you guys for hanging out with me today. I know today was a little choppy, a little boring. I was tired. I know I almost didn't even stream, so Friday the 13th effects. So I appreciate you guys hanging out with me today. I did miss a lot of shorts today. I missed CING, that hit the nail, and I missed Timber for the second time. And then a mom is the one that I was looking for the first red day. Please don't tell me this thing sold off. Yep, it went from 5.9 down to 5.2, almost $1 there. Unfortunate. Either way, I'm locking in a small bread, and I'm happy with that. What's my goal for how many red days I can have in a week? Shoot, I'm pretty sure my biggest red week was almost a whole straight red week. My biggest red streak. I don't really have one, you know. This is 2023. 2023 is looking a lot better than 2022. But this week right here, see, Monday was a holiday, and I went 1, 2, 3, 4, and I guess the next Monday I went red. So that's the biggest red streak I've ever had right there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 red days in a row. So I don't really have one. But you know, even though I took a red day today, that's 3 for February. That is really good compared to previous years. 2021 was a little better. There's 2 red days and 2 red days there. But usually I 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2, 4, 6, 7, 2, 4, 6, 8. Dang, 2, 4, 6, 8. Dang, 2, 4, 2, 4, 6. So 2021. What about 2022? 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 5, 2, 3, 2, 4, 6, 7, 2, 4, 2, 4, 6. So it looks like between 5 and 6 red days average a month. So that's what, maybe 1, 2 red days a week. And 2023, averaging probably 1, 2, 3, 4, less than 1 day red day a week. So that's good with me. Try shorting Lunar, dude. Unless you pay for my locate fees. Corey calling it another day up 121, all green, nice. Miss ATLX. Somebody Dark Mix got ATLX over on Tradecaster. They shorted ATLX. It's a good one. Missed it. No, I don't have a goal. I don't have a goal. Right now, the only goal I have is I'm trying to aim for at least 3K weeks. At least 1K. I say 1K, at least 1K a day, 3K a week. But obviously, you're like, well, that doesn't make sense. If you make 1K a week, then how are you aiming for 3K? If you make 1K a day, how are you aiming for 3K a week? That's 5K a week, right? Obviously, but you're gonna have red days, and your red days are gonna make your days smaller. So your 1K a week really isn't 1K a week. So Tesla back up to 195. Hey, look, this could be a nice short on Tesla 195. We're just gonna chop around. Watch, I'm gonna short this thing, and this is gonna go straight through view up. The only short is 195. That's it. We're gonna probably chop around this area. That's what I would think. It's hard sometimes because this chopped around for so long. The chop around for so long made me think, oh, this when it finally breaks down, it's actually gonna break down, right? But it's the opposite. It chopped around so long that when it tried popping through it, it just didn't go anywhere. it was just a false breakdown. More buyers stepped in and pushed it right back up. I want to know how many shares it takes to move a Tesla candle, like individual people. Like if I put an order out on the bid, how many do I need for it to actually stop people or stop the stock from moving? Cause some of these, like these bids right here, ask that's 400. That's not a lot. Shoot, I could put up 500 orders there on the ask. I'm telling you, 195 is just gonna chop around. This is when you just risk getting the breakout and you stop out real quick, but you take your chances and short the top, buy the bottom, short the top, buy the bottom. So I got a little short there on Tesla. I think I was down like 380, 390. TraderView said 389, but I did take a loss on the other stock. I don't remember how much. So I guess I made back like 70, 80 bucks just on this quick scalp. Aren't I the most fun trader to watch live? I make $70. I swear to God, guys, my eyes are falling asleep. I'm glad it's Friday though. Under $300 red on the day now. That's a very good red day. And this is something that I did not do this year. Well, actually, the day in January was really small. The day last Friday was a little bit bigger than 200 bucks. I was never green on the day though. Alright, anyways, guys, I'm going to call it Alex head and shoulders and very obvious Lunar. It has to finish the setup. Now the perfect time to short Lunar. Bro, I am not shorting Lunar, man. I am not shorting Lunar. What's my accuracy on Tesla? Like trade. Oh, actually, let me see. I can filter by ticker. And then I can filter it by year. Let's see what my accuracy on Tesla is this year. I'm done trading, guys. I don't think I'm going to take another stab at it. So, how do I look at this? So here is my stats for this year just on Tesla. Looks like my accuracy is 60% on every single trade. This year so far, just on Tesla, I'm up 14K, 13.5K just on Tesla this year. So 60%, I guess. That's not that high. But that's every trade, so that does make a big difference. Like, every trade is 60%. As far as whether I was green or red on Tesla, whether I was green or red on Tesla is 89% for the day. So I have a 90% chance that if I trade Tesla on Monday, I'm going to be green 90%. In total, I've made 20K on Tesla this year. Losses was 6K. And then on my winning days is 66%, so a little bit higher accuracy. And on my losing days, it's 37% green trades. I don't really dig into my stats that much. Juan's gonna be buying I'm gonna buy a Tesla with my Tesla gains. You know what car I started looking at, and people hate this car, but we were talking about cars the other day, and I was like, there's not a single sports car like that's not 200K that's actually nice, but I do like this one. A GR86. Oh, look at Tesla. Teslas are not expensive, 60K easy. No, they're cheaper than that. I like this car. Nice Lamborghini Juan. And this car's pretty cheap. This car's like 30K brand new. And you can put a little spoiler, a front lamp. Yeah, that one looks eh. That looks nice. It's a nice little car. The only thing is people hate this car because this car is not that fast. It's pretty slow. No turbo. I'm a Jeep Wrangler kind of guy. Well, I drive a 4Runner, so definitely not a Jeep Wrangler kind of guy. But this is a nice car. If you look at this car just like this, you're like, oh, that looks like a 100K car or something like that. I'll be able to buy it. Oh, Tesla's breaking out at 195. Again, though, is it actually going to break out? I like this car, though. I might eventually get something like this. Little sports car. Because if it's not this, then I hate Camaros. I hate, like I was saying this earlier, I hate Camaros. I hate Challengers, Chargers, Corvettes, Mustangs. Like, I hate all those cars. They're all ugly. Yeah, this car does handle really well. It's a race car. Like, people race with this car. But it's just because of the handling and turning corners that makes it good, not so much the speed. Honda del Sol. Supras, I don't like Supras. You know, the only car that I would like is a GTR. I like how GTRs look, but then again, you're looking at a new GTR for 200K or 150, you know. Honda del Sol. And then there's other cars that are, oh, what is this? Looks like a Honda del Sol. It's pretty cool. I wouldn't drive this, I wouldn't get this, but it looks pretty cool. Um, Miata MX-5. This is another little car. But see, like, Corolla GR. This car is even way faster than the other one. Four-wheel drive than the GR, but just looks dumb. I don't like the new, what is it, 400Z? I don't like this one. I don't like the back of it. A lot of people like this new car that came out, but I don't like it. I don't think I've ever liked any of the Nissans anyways. See, that one looks nice, but I don't like the back of it. Oh well. Guys, I'm gonna head out for the rest of the day. I'm probably gonna go over and well, I gotta wait for my wife to go to the doctor's. But other than that, somebody just said 400Z. Yeah, I don't like the 400Z. It's a nice car and it's new and fast and quick. My experience car is Aston Martin Vantage. Once I freaking get out. Okay, the one that that's if we're talking about 200 price point, I want this car. Said, but what? Hold on. This car. I want this car. I would so buy this car and drive this car. This car is sick. I would buy this car. You know, everybody wants Lamborghinis, Ferraris, all that stuff. The only cars that I would get is this one and this exact same color. Look at this. Oh, this is like one of my dream cars. Look at this. Okay, I wouldn't put those green wheels on there, but this car is beautiful. Tennis ball yellow. Lamborghinis are overrated, to be honest. You'll be able to use it once a year. This car? Nah, this is a daily driver car. Why does it say Lamborghini in the back? This is one of my cars. Obviously, I would get a GT3 RS. Also, maybe lime green. Oh no, not lime green. I like this car. I definitely like the Vantage a lot better. That one looks gross. That one looks like a tennis ball. But as far as affordable daily driver, I would get the GR86. It's a nice little sporty car. But see, look, compare this 30K brand new to the other ones 100K brand new, 150K brand new. Dude, that's a waste. What's my budget? Oh, I'm not gonna get anything right now. I'm driving my 4Runner, and we need my 4Runner. I've told my wife so many times though. I was like, "Can you drive the SUV so I can get a car?" But she doesn't want to. She doesn't like driving SUV, so she drives the car, and I drive the SUV. And we need the SUV because we got dogs and we travel, and we got cats and we travel, and we got Esteban is still doing business over here, up 151. Yeah, I drive a 4Runner. I drive this white 4Runner. I think it's also called Vantage. No. What's the package? Oh god, I'm blanking out. Venture. This is what I drive. Not those wheels though. I got the black TRD wheels. Like these. Yep, that's what I drive. Hey look, that actually is my car. That might be exactly my car. Oh actually no, I don't have those sides. I have this. I have those. Hold on. Let me find an exact one. Here we go. That's exactly what I got. So those wheels, those running boards. Oh, that's not the that's not the basket I have. I got that basket, not that one. Man, maybe mine is unique. Not any of these are the same one that I got. Oh, here we go. All right, that's what I drive. Same wheels, same black bumper, black details, black mirrors, black handles, running board steps, and that same basket. All right, that's exactly what I drive. No Juancitos, not yet, bro. Another reason why Stormtrooper 4Runner. Another reason why we need the SUV, and she don't want to drive the SUV, so I gotta drive the SUV. Thanks for sharing your car. I'll make sure to keep an eye for it. Yeah, I'll give you the license plates too if you want. Yeah, for real. Alex keeps telling us to short Lunar, bro. If I borrow 1,000 shares of Lunar, I have to pay 2.6K just to borrow the shares. And if I lose $1,000 on the trade, that's 3.6K that I'm down. I am not shorting Lunar, bro. That is why people will lose their account. I'm not shorting. Alright, guys, I'm out. I'm done for today. That totally fits you, but that Aston Martin is sexy. Dude, that Aston Martin is. What broker do you have? Oh, wait, you guys are talking about. Have a good day, bro. Oh, again though, before I head out, thank you, Joshua, again. I don't know if you're still in here now, but of course I remember. So thank you, Joshua, for that donation today. Appreciate it a lot. Other than that, guys, I am out. I'm done. Red day. I'm calling it a red day. I don't feel good. Didn't feel good. Didn't feel it good since I woke up. That's even if I slept. So I'm calling it $300 down on the day, and I am very happy with that. And Tesla's chopping, so it's not like I've missed anything. I'm your son's idol. Aston Martin Plus plays Fortnite. Next thing you know, we'll see Juan driving the Aston Martin. Have a great weekend, dude. If I would so buy that Aston. That is, and Aston sound gorgeous. All right, guys. You guys take care. I'm out. I'm done. You guys have a good one. I'll see you guys on Monday. You guys enjoy your weekend. It is a weekend now, so you guys enjoy your weekend. And then tomorrow, I mean Monday and Tuesday, the last days of this month. So you guys enjoy it. I'll see you guys then. You guys take care.